What are the penalties for a first, second, and third DUI charge? The first-time DUI charge, the minimum penalty is supposed to be 2 days in jail, a fine of $390 plus your penalties assessment, a DUI school of between 3, 6, or 9 months, and potentially having an IID on your car, an ignition interlock device in your car. And the maximum sentence is 6 months in jail, a fine of $1,000 plus penalties and assessments, and the longer DUI school. And your license can be revoked for 1 year if you refuse the chemical test or for other enhancements. A second-time DUI requires a minimum of 10 days in jail, up to a maximum of a year in jail. It's mandatory that you have an ignition interlock device in your vehicle, and your fine, generally the base fine will still be $390, but the penalties and assessments make it higher, so generally it's about $2,500, and the jail time would depend on from 10 days to a year, and generally will go up based on how recent your prior was and if there's any serious enhancements to the DUI. A third-time DUI is a mandatory minimum of 120 days in jail. Most counties require that to be served in custody, not through a jail alternative. Your license generally is revoked, but you can get it reinstated for an ignition interlock device in your vehicle for 2 years or longer, and you would have to attend an 18-month DUI school, which you would also have to attend for a second-time DUI. It would be an 18-month DUI school, which is obviously a lot longer than the 3-month school. And the idea, when you get to a second or third DUI, they're very concerned about it getting worse, because a fourth DUI becomes a felony, or if you're in a DUI where someone's injured, it can be filed as a felony. Then any DUI arrest you have within 10 years of that arrest becomes a felony also.